Which plant has air sacs in its stem? A. Cactus. B. Water lily. C. Coconut tree. D. Mango tree. Answer B. Water lily. Question 2. Which body part helps a fish breathe in water? A. Fins. B. Gills. C. Tail. D. Scales. Answer B. Gills. Question 3. Why is a fish's body shaped like a boat? A. To swim fast. B. To breathe. C. To eat food. D. To change color. Answer A. To swim fast. Question 4. A natural environment that consists of living and non-living things is called an A. Habitat. B. Ecosystem. C. Nature. D. Surroundings. Answer B. Ecosystem. Question 5. What special feature helps desert plants prevent water loss? A. Large leaves. B. A waxy coating on their thick stems. C. Long roots. D. Flowers. Answer B. A waxy coating on their thick stems. Question 6. What is an example of an organism that lives both on land and in water? A. Fish. B. Turtle. C. Snake. D. Frog. Answer D. Frog. Question 7. Which of the following does not cause air pollution? A. Smoke from vehicles. B. Smoke from factories. C. Burning waste. D. Planting trees. Answer D. Planting trees. Question 8. Which of the following is not a human activity that causes the destruction of ecosystems? A. Demolition of hills. B. Destruction of farmlands. C. Excessive use of pesticides. D. Throwing waste into rivers. Answer B. Destruction of farmlands. Question 9. What is the term for the variety of life in nature? A. Habitat. B. Ecosystem. C. Biodiversity. D. Natural beauty. Answer C. Biodiversity. Question 10. What helps a camel survive for days without drinking water in the desert? A. Long legs. B. The fat in its hump. C. Thick skin. D. Noses that can be closed. Answer B. The fat in its hump. Question 11. What special feature helps penguins protect themselves from the cold? A. Wings used as paddles. B. The thick layer of fat under their skin. C. Webbed feet. D. Beaks that help them hunt. Answer B. The thick layer of fat under their skin. Question 12. Why can't organisms like earthworms live in the soil anymore? A. Because the soil is polluted. B. Because there is no water. C. Because there is no sunlight. D. Because there is no air. Answer A. Because the soil is polluted. Question 13. A frog is an animal that lives in a pond. What is a special feature of a frog's eyes? A. They can see clearly both underwater and above water. B. They can see in the dark. C. They are large. D. They can change color. Answer A. They can see clearly both underwater and above water. Question 14. Throwing waste spreads diseases. Which type of pollution is this related to? A. Water pollution. B. Air pollution. C. Soil pollution. D. Noise pollution. Answer C. Soil pollution. Question 15. Which of the following is not a natural disaster? A. Earthquake. B. Flood. C. Drought. D. Tree planting. Answer D. Tree planting. Question 16. What happens to fish when the water in a river gets polluted? A. They get more oxygen. B. They get sick or die. C. They grow faster. D. They get more food. Answer B. They get sick or die. Question 17. When is World Environment Day? A. June 5. B. July 5. C. August 15th. D. January 26th. Answer A. June 5. Question 18. What is an example of a plant that floats on water with the help of air sacs in its stem? A. Hibiscus. B. Water lily. C. Rose. D. Jasmine. Answer B. Water lily. Question 19. Which of the following is an activity that children should not do to protect ecosystems? A. Planting trees. B. Building a garden. C. Throwing waste. D. Environmental awareness. Answer C. Throwing waste. Question 20. Which of the following is not a precaution to take during a natural disaster warning? A. Prepare an emergency kit. B. Move to a safe place. C. Ignore the disaster warnings. D. Disconnect electricity. Answer C. Ignore the disaster warnings. Question 21. What helps a cactus plant prevent water loss? A. Large leaves. B. Small leaves or thorns. C. Thick roots. D. Beautiful flowers. Answer B. Small leaves or thorns. Question 22. Why is a fish's body slippery? A. To feel cold. B. To move quickly. C. To eat food, D. To drink water. Answer B. To move quickly. Question 23. A region that consists of living and non-living things is an A. Habitat, B. Ecosystem, C. Nature, D. Surroundings. Answer B. Ecosystem. Question 24. Why is deforestation a major environmental problem? A. It is for planting more trees. B. It can lead to floods. C. Trees will grow more. D. Birds will get new homes. Answer B. It can lead to floods. Question 25. Observing plants and animals in a pond, we can understand that they depend on each other. What is this called? A. Adaptation, B. Interdependence, C. Biodiversity, D. Habitat. Answer B. Interdependence. Question 26. The ecosystem of a pond includes living and non-living components. Which of the following is a non-living component? A. Fish, B. Lotus, C. Water, D. Frog. Answer C. Water. Question 27. What is an example of a man-made habitat? A. Forest, B. Grassland, C. Farmland, D. Desert. Answer C. Farmland. Question 28. Some animals can change their color to blend in with their surroundings. What is this related to? A. Reproduction, B. Growth, C. Adaptation, D. Food. Answer C. Adaptation. Question 29. Various waste materials found in our homes and surroundings cause soil pollution. What can be done to prevent this? A. Burn plastic waste, B. Bury organic waste, C. Throw all waste into river, D. Segregate and process the waste. Answer D. Segregate and process the waste. Question 30. The excessive use of pesticides is harmful to the environment. What type of pollution does it mainly cause? A. Noise pollution, B. Soil pollution, C. Air pollution, D. Light pollution. Answer B. Soil pollution. Question 31. What is a natural disaster that is likely to occur in coastal areas? A. Earthquake, B. Drought, C. Tsunami, D. Landslide. Answer C. Tsunami. Question 32. Ecosystems play a big role in maintaining the balance of nature. Can the destruction of one ecosystem affect other ecosystems? Yes, because everything is interconnected. No, each ecosystem is independent. Sometimes, depending on the situation, only one component can be destroyed. Answer yes, because everything is interconnected. Question 33. What is a typical cause of a drought? A. Floods, B. Crop failure, C. Storms, D. Earthquakes. Answer B. Crop failure. Question 34. What is the term for the physical or behavioral changes that help an organism survive in its environment? A. Evolution, B. Growth, C. Adaptation, D. Reproduction. Answer C. Adaptation. Question 35. What is an important step for a family to take when they receive a flood warning? A. Stay inside the house, B. Move to a safe place, C. Restore the electricity connection, D. Cook food. Answer B. Move to a safe place. Question 36. What is a major cause of air pollution in cities? A. Planting trees, B. Smoke from vehicles, C. Rain, D. Sea breeze. Answer B. Smoke from vehicles. Question 37. What is biodiversity? A. Only plants growing in one place, B. The diversity of species in nature, C. Only non-living things, D. Man-made buildings. Answer B. The diversity of species in nature. Question 38. Do fish in a pond get the oxygen they need to live? A. From the air, B. Oxygen dissolved in the water, C. From the mud, D. From sunlight. Answer oxygen dissolved in the water. Question 39. What is an important thing to do when an earthquake occurs? A. Run outside, B. Take shelter in a safe place, C. Take the elevator, D. Shout loudly. Answer B. Take shelter in a safe place. Question 40. Which group of organisms faces a threat of extinction when ecosystems are destroyed? A. Only humans, B. Only buildings, C. Species, D. Roads. Answer species.